Hello, Mustangs. I'm just going to go over what you need to do for class today for this assignment. Just in case you're having trouble with any of it, you can watch this video as many times as you need to understand how to do this assignment today. So I am a student in Mrs. Bora's sandbox, and so the assignment is there for me, and so I'm going to click into my modules so you guys can see how this works as a student. So for Mrs. Miller's class, this homepage will look a little different. You'll just have to click on the link that is there. Mrs. Bora provides a link for periods. So I'm going to click on this period 3 link, but that's where you go to click into the actual 1.2 composing and decomposing shapes activity that you started hopefully on Monday. So I'm going to continue with my activity. And right here, this little robot, you can tell us how you're feeling. So I'm going to put really happy because it's Friday today. So I just typed in on my response, it's Friday, yay, happy Friday. So you'll see that screen. And then this screen is to plug in your heart rate. What's your starting heart rate on these learning goals? So do you know how to find the area of a shape by decomposing and rearranging the parts? If you completely can teach someone else this, you'll put a 5. And if you don't understand it yet, you'll put a 1. And then I know what it means for 2 shapes to have the same area. Again, if you can teach somebody else how to do that, you're going to click a 5 and a 4 if you understand it completely. A 3, you understand, but you need more practice. A 2, I understand some parts, and a 1 is I don't understand it yet. So go ahead and when you get into the assignment, you're going to click those 2 learning goals, how you're feeling about those right now. And then the next screen will give you today's Tangrams tool. It's a digital tool, and you're going to figure out how to move the shapes, build a design, and take a screenshot of your design to save it to your desktop. So when we click on this blue link right here for the Tangrams, it will either ask you to put in your name here or sign in. You do not want to do the sign in with Google for this particular activity. So when you're signing into Desmos, to begin with, you want to use your Google account so that it'll keep track of your work. For the GeoGebra, if you sign in with your Google account, it won't let you work on it. So I'm just going to sign in with my name and click Start. That's going to launch the actual shapes that we want you guys to work with. And then what you're going to do here is move these around and put them in a design that you want. Let's see here. I think I'm going to build a fish. So I'm going to rotate this around. So if you click on these little circles, it'll let you rotate the shape. And then clicking and holding will let you drag the shape. There's a body, there's the tail of my fish. Here's a fin. All right, and then I like this. I'm going to put some kelp down here maybe. All right, so I'm pretty satisfied with my shape now. And now I can take a screenshot of that. And then over here in Desmos, I'm going to click Next. Here is where I'm going to load up my shape. So I already did one before. So I'm going to show you again. So you click the plus sign, go down to Image, and then you're going to locate your image. Mine happens to be on my Google Drive. So I have to go find my image that I saved. I took a screenshot and I saved it. Yours might be on your desktop, or it might be on so again, you're going to click image, and then mine is on my Google Drive right here. And there's my fish picture, and then you just hit next. Okay? So then on the next part, we're going to be naming our tangrams. You'll go through these activities in the same way, but you're going to need your GeoGebra open and take screenshots of it. See you guys in class. Hopefully this helped.